What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in today. We are headed over to the shop currently to start work on the Evil Manufacturing third brake light and the two Baja Designs S2 lights to the roof of Tony's stock. So we're heading over to the shop right now, and I'll check back in when we get over there. Alright, so we got the tonneau cover off for the first time since we installed it. And we're going to go ahead and pull out the factory third brake light and figure out which wire in there corresponds to the ones in the Evil Manufacturing light. And we'll start working on the wiring, and then we'll start running the harness for the S2s, which I'm going to run across the back of the headliner, down our C-pillar, and to our switch bros. So let's get it.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Yeah. Okay, the cargo lamp switch is, hey! Sick. Okay, so we got our T-taps in, and the cargo lights and the third brake light work. One thing I wanted to point out, because the video that I saw, the only other video I found on YouTube of this light is by, I think, D-Max Rhino. It was a few years ago. The one that he installed was only a 3-wire system, which is pretty straightforward. Mine came with a 4th wire, a blue wire, when I was testing it earlier. And when we connect the blue wire, the brake lights light up really, really bright. I'm not sure if maybe the Denali's or the High Countries or something, one of the generations of this truck, possibly after the 2015, might have a running light, which is what I'm currently tapped into because I just don't want to blind people behind me. That would be obviously rude and drawing more attention than we need to. But anyway, got that all sorted out. We got our T-taps into our wires here. So for you guys at home, black goes to black. The green wire goes to your yellow wire, which is more of like the low beam brake light. And then the white wire is your cargo lights. And that goes to the green, white wire with a green stripe. So now we're going to run the harnesses for the S2s through the roof and down into the cab, and we'll keep going from there.
Audio Jungle.
harnesses into the truck.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Woohoo! Runs right there, goes back through there, and then comes out up by the I keep wanting to say operator because I'm so used to working on forklifts, but comes out by the driver's compartment. So we can put this back together back here and then move up there to try and get it to the grommet to go to the engine bay.
Audio Jungle.
Alright, we got the harness finally routed all the way through the truck. No deformation or panels popping off. It actually fit really good in the groove in here between the weather strip and the actual harness for the truck. And I got it going up into here and coming out right there. We are unfortunately probably about a foot or two short, so I'm gonna try and route that up under here where we came in for the Switch Pros, and we'll see how far I can get today without having to add in an extra harness. So we're gonna keep trucking here, and I'll update you as soon as I figure that out. Yeah, that's just, oops, sorry. There it is. Hey, how you doing? So we are going to be a little bit short on our harness, so what I'm thinking about doing is I think it's basically going to be an adapter harness to get us that last bit of length. It's going to go from our Switch Pros, which is right here, and it's going to get us all the way through there, through the bulkhead, and then to our current wires that are sitting underneath the dashboard of the truck at the moment. I'll do the other Deutsch connectors there, and I actually did find a 4-pin in my current collection of parts already. So we're actually going to do the 4-pin up front, and then we'll do the two pins inside the cab. So I'm going to get to work making that, and that's what we're going to do. First things first is I'm gonna have to unloom all of what I did last time, which is all this crap, and we're gonna make that look a lot nicer right now. We did get the light all mounted up. It looks really good in my opinion. I did seal it with some, where'd it go? I did decide to get some windshield and glass sealant from my local hardware store just to give it a little bit of extra sealing power while, you know, keeping out a lot of the moisture and things like that. The Evil Manufacturing light does come with weather stripping on it, but I always just like to be a little extra cautious, so we threw that on there. It should be working great.
It's the line.
Okay, we're not racing.
Come on. And not fighting too?
No fighting, that's a given.
Is it that bright?
Yeah, the yellow's really bright.
Avery, come over here.
Well, that's good. It needs to be. It's got to cut through dust. Yeah. Ooh, I can't look at that. Now I got LED spots in my eyes. So that's where we're gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit me up on Instagram. You can now follow me at Fountain Fox Garage. You can also follow me on TikTok at Fountain Fox. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'll catch you guys in the next upload.